Welcome to Discount Benefit Solutions webinar on chiropractic discounts. In today's webinar, we're going to be reviewing the chiropractic discounts that are available through Your Discount Benefits, also known as YDB. We're going to be talking about some key statistics on chiropractic services in the U.S. We're going to be talking about how you and others can save significantly on your chiropractic services, how you can find local providers near you that are in network, and savings examples from those who have used the plan and saved significantly. Let's take a look at some statistics on chiropractic services. Chiropractic doctors routinely treat patients to prevent the majority of the top 10 most expensive health conditions in the United States, including treatment of trauma disorders, prevention of diabetes and high blood pressure, and the treatment of osteoarthritis and back pain. And this statistic was found in 2013 in studies performed by the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. Now, for most of you, if you're familiar with back pain, you know that it's a significant public health problem. Up to 85% of Americans have back pain at some point in their lives. In addition to its negative effects on employee productivity, back pain treatment accounts for about $50 billion annually in healthcare costs, which makes it one of the top 10 most costly conditions treated in the United States. And this was found by a report conducted in 2010 by the Center for Health Value Innovation report. The next statistic I actually was unaware of. So did you know that in the United States, chiropractic is the nation's third largest primary healthcare profession, surpassed in numbers only by practitioners of medicine and dentistry. It is the largest, most regulated, and best recognized of the complementary and alternative professions. And again, this statistic was brought by the National Board of Chiropractic Examiners practice analysis in studies performed in 2010. If you suffer from back pain or maybe have neck problems or know of anybody that sees the chiropractor on a regular basis, why not start receiving significant savings today? Point those individuals to the YourDiscountBenefits.com website where they can purchase the Premier Health Discount Benefit Plan. And they'll receive a free initial consultation with their chiropractor. They'll receive 50% off diagnostic services, 50% off x-rays performed on site, 30% off treatment and other services, and the best part about it is that there's no limit to the number of visits. With over 3,000 providers that are in network, it's very easy to find a chiropractor that accepts our discount benefit plan. And rest assured that each chiropractor's license and insurance are verified before even being accepted into our network. We do have to disclose that at this time, this chiropractic benefit is not available to residents that reside in the state of Vermont. Now, how can you locate providers? It's very simple. Simply go to the YourDiscountBenefits.com website, click on the Premier Health Plan, and then you'll click on Chiropractic, and you'll be able to see a link that says to locate a provider online, click here. When you click on that link, it's going to pull up this screen that's displaying right here. You'll see that there's a map to the far left-hand side, and then you can put in your zip code, search across however many miles you would like to travel, and then click search, and it's going to provide results down here on the far right-hand side with the name of the practice, the doctor's name, their address, phone number, and then how many miles away they are from your zip code. Now let's move on to my favorite slide where we talk about examples of savings from real people that have used the Premier Health Plan to get chiropractic services performed. Now this savings chart you'll see at the top for a new patient that had one particular problem area that they needed looked at, on average that costs around $110 and the member only paid $77, saving 30%. Another patient came in and had a comprehensive exam performed. On average, that costs about $180, and they only paid $126 out of pocket, so they saved 30%. If we move down here and take a look at this example, someone came in for a manipulative treatment covering 1 to 2 regions. On average, that costs around $45, and again, this member saved 30% and only paid $31.50. Another person came in, had treatment across additional regions, so 5+ regions, and they only paid $45.50 instead of the $65 that it cost. The savings continue to get better as we go through this chart. You'll see that the next patient that came in, they had a radiologic exam for their full spine, and it cost $185. They only paid $92.50. They saved 50% by having the Premier Health Plan. Again, another person came in, they had muscle testing done. It was $60 and they saved 50% and only paid $30. So you can see from this savings chart how great this particular plan is and how helpful it could be for people that go to the chiropractor numerous times throughout the year. As we all know, if you go once, they usually want you to come back a week later, a month later, etc. And there's no limit to the number of visits under this plan that you can receive savings for. That concludes our presentation today. Thank you so much for joining us as we reviewed how those in need of chiropractic services can save tremendously through the Your Discount Benefits Premier Health Plan. For additional details, please visit our website at yourdiscountbenefits.com. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us or give us a call toll free at 888-412-0869.